Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, fertilization is the most important part for maintaining plants' growth and health. And if we are growing any plant, then we must know that how we should fertilize our plants properly. Either we are using any liquid fertilizer or dry fertilizer. And in today's video, we are going to explain about some of the recommended methods of fertilization process which are best for maintaining plants' growth. So, please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, first of all we would like to start by explaining the golden rule of plant fertilization process, and the rule is less is more. Means whatever the fertilizer we are using, we can use them in less amount and a particular time duration, because a plant can survive and grow well if the fertilizer is somewhere less. But if we do over fertilization, then the plant rooting system can get damaged and the plant can start wilting down and die also. So we must remember this golden rule and our plants will get good growth. And now we will explain some of the most recommended factors about fertilization process, which are included: how frequent we should fertilize our plants, how we should fertilize our plants if we are using dry fertilizer, how we should fertilize our plants if we are using any liquid fertilizer, and at the last we will cover the most important part of plant fertilization process that we must need to understand before using any fertilizer. So please do not skip this video till the end. So let's start with the first factor, that how frequent we should use any fertilizer for our plants. And this is the most common query of many of us, and there are different opinions are available about this factor. As per the general rule, the plant fertilization frequency is completely depends on the plant which we are growing. And as per our plant's condition and growing stage, we can use any fertilizer in following three frequency. First, once per week, second, once per 15 days, or third, once per month. If we are growing any annual plant, then we can use the fertilizers once per week, and for perennial plants it may be once per month also. So it is completely depends that which type of plant you are growing. After this, now come to the second factor, that how we should fertilize our plants by using dry fertilizers. So friends, for using any dry fertilizers, we should take the required quantity and always mix it with topsoil of plants as we are doing here. And after this, we should do instant watering to protect our plants from heat stress, which generally occur after applying any dry fertilizer. And if we talk about the using quantity, then it maybe depends on the plant size which we are growing. If the plant is small, then the quantity may be at least 20 gram each time, and if the plant is big, then the quantity may be more. But we should not forget the rule which we have explained earlier, that less is more. And after the dry fertilizer, we will explain that how we should fertilize our plants by using liquid fertilizers. So at the time of using any liquid fertilizer, we should take the required quantity of pure liquid fertilizer and must dilute it with clean water in the proportion of at least 1:10. Means whatever the pure liquid fertilizer quantity we are taking, we should dilute it with clean water by taking the water quantity 10 times more. And after mixing the water and the liquid fertilizer properly, we should pour it on plant soil as we do normal watering. And if we are using any liquid fertilizer for foliage spray, then the water quantity should be at least 20 to 30 times more than the liquid fertilizer. Otherwise, our plant's leaf will get damaged and dry. And at the end, we will explain the most important factor of using plant fertilizer. And the factor is that each plant grows with passing through 3 stages, and during each stage the plant needs different amount of nutrients. Like during seedling stage, the plant needs at least nitrogen and phosphorus in less amount. And during vegetative growth stage, the plant needs high amount of nitrogen as compared to other nutrients. And during reproductive or flowering and fruiting stage, the plant required high amount of phosphorus and potassium as compared to other nutrients. So we should always try to use any fertilizer which fulfill plant's requirement at each growing stage so that the plant growth will be good. And this is the most important factor which we must understand and maintain during plant fertilization process. So friends, these are some of the most important factors which we must follow at the time of using any plant fertilizer. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query you can write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.